Thought it'd be easier to show you in video, but we have our 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. The plates are just shy. See the hole there, but they're not long enough. So ideally, thought was use a plate similar to this, locks on and drops down the bars. This would be much thinner. Have this piece sitting on top of it, and then we'd have to actually drill it out. Sorry, zoom out a little bit here. Drill it out so they fit on each side, and then put another plate on top of it, again much thinner material, to kind of sandwich it in so we could still screw it down, and then allow possible mounting plates on top of it. So the person could then pop this off and then select a plate or just use a blank. So I mean, it could be sold either way, but these would be much thinner than this so that they would attach. And also through the ribs there would be a plate so it would sit flat, connect to those ribs, and then maybe 2 of them for the top and 2 for the bottom, so it would just be sandwiched in there tight. We could actually even put some additional screws through the plates to sandwich them together if we wanted to, but I'll have to experiment with that just to see how well it goes together and what the breaking point would be. But anyhow, my biggest concern right now is just that hole pattern. It looks like we'll have to hit each one of these at a drill press to make them a little bit wider. We could try other options, but those are pretty big plates and they will make for an easy hooking solution. Another alternative is to flip it. If we flip it, they line up, but we're going to run into some problems in the rear where the plate goes in. It's possible that we can mount this to the bottom so that you'd flip it upside down and then you go to hook it, but you'd have to have your power on. It's just another thought. These are 3.1 ounce, so they're actually quite heavy. It's possible we could add some flotation to this block as well to kind of raise it up, just to offset some of that weight, but again, it's just another thought. These were mounted to the bottom, where we did use a little bit more flotation. It could cause it to actually pitch upright, so if it was sitting at the bottom and it flipped upright in the water, that might make for an easier hook. May not even need the back side, maybe only be able to do them with half. Just some thoughts. So, I wanted your feedback, and I just wanted to put you in on the design process here. All right, thanks.